What is the process to activate a SIM card?
Hello there. Welcome to our video on activating a SIM card. If you've recently received a new SIM card and you're unsure how to activate it, then this is the perfect guide for you. We will go through each step in detail, ensuring that you can get your SIM card activated in no time.
What do you need?
To activate your SIM card, you will typically need the following: a new SIM card, the device in which you plan to use the SIM card, your SIM card's activation key or code, usually provided with your SIM card or sent to your email, access to the internet or a phone line for completing the activation process. Remember, this process might differ slightly depending on your specific carrier.
How to start the activation process?
Before we start, ensure that your phone is switched off. 1. Insert your new SIM card into your device. Refer to your device's manual if you're unsure how to do this. 2. Turn on your device. Some SIM cards will automatically activate once inserted into a phone and powered on. 3. If your SIM card didn't auto-activate, you'll need to manually activate it. To do this, find the activation code or key that came with your SIM card.
Activating your SIM card online.
Many carriers allow you to activate your SIM card online. Here's the general process. 1. Visit your carrier's website. Look for a link or section about SIM card activation. 2. Enter your activation key or code into the website's activation form. 3. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process.
Activating your SIM card over the phone.
If online activation isn't available, you can usually activate your SIM card over the phone. Here's a general process. 1. Call your carrier's customer service line. This number is usually listed on the carrier's website. 2. Follow the automated prompts to get to SIM card activation. 3. Enter your activation key or code when prompted. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have a fully activated SIM card ready to use. We hope this guide has been helpful. If you run into any issues during your SIM card activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to your service provider for assistance. Enjoy your new SIM card and happy calling!